Hello and welcome to Hooray. Today let's discuss speaking module in the IELTS exam and we'll go through in detail part 2. Speaking part 2 is a cue card round. You will be given a topic. You have to prepare for 1 minute and speak for 2 minutes. Here let's take how you can describe an event. This is the description of the speaking subtest. Total time for the speaking module is 11 to 14 minutes. It consists of 3 parts and every test will be recorded. First part is the general or self-introduction task, which will last for 4 to 5 minutes. Then you have the part 2, which is the cue card topic, where you prepare for 1 minute and speak for 2 minutes. Part 3, the discussion on the cue card topic, which lasts between 4 and 5 minutes. Let's take a look at the speaking criteria. There are 4 criteria. 1 is fluency and coherence. 2 is lexical resource. 3 grammatical range and accuracy, and 4 is pronunciation. Let's see how you should describe an activity. First, you need to say what the event was. You can pick any recent event. You can say when and where. You can jot down the location. Then say who, note down the people who were present, either professional or personal, depending on the event. Then you have to describe what happened. You can note down 2 to 3 points, like the discussion you had with people, or about the food and the activities, etc. Then you need to say why it made you happy. You can express your opinion here along with your feelings. You can also justify them and give comparisons also. Now let's take a look at a sample question. Describe a recent event that made you happy. You should say when and where it was, who was involved, what happened, and explain why it made you happy. So let's take a look at the first point about when and where it was. You could introduce place here and the time. You can say this. Well, I had recently gotten the opportunity to attend a music festival called Euphoria, held at Mount Rockford Center, where my favorite musician Janet X performed some of the best hits of her career. Then you can go further and describe who was involved. You can explain your answer in detail and give some background information. A month ago, a friend had purchased the tickets and surprised me on my birthday. I did not see any reason for not going, as the both of us grew up learning music. Although we did not take it up as a career, this was a chance that allowed us to delve into some good pop music. Janet X, a combination of hip hop and pop, with a little bit of classical strain, added for devout music lovers, gave the performance. Now you can explain as to what happened and give further background information. With her talent, she created such an amazing performance. We were surprised to see how flexible she was while performing. We had known that she was a great dancer, but watching her interpret it, thought her music was mind-blowing. To me, it was about young people in the modern world, bored with the daily routine of life and trying to escape from this boredom in order to do something spectacular or at least pursue their passions. And the final question is to explain why it made you happy. You can go further and give some instances using good collocations and phrases. After a 50-hour work week, literally no plans for my birthday, this event turned out to be the balm for my aching sores. It was like a fresh breeze that blew away the tiredness of the past week. I had rarely gone out in the past year, so this was a great experience. Let's look at some of the vocabulary and expressions that were used in this speaking session. Given by, combination of, talent, flexible, interpret, daily routine, spectacular, fresh breeze, etc. Let's look at some of the general speaking tips. You need to find an English-speaking conversation partner with whom you can practice speaking every day. Make sure to listen as well as speak. Use a mirror while you're speaking and look at your facial expressions. Record your practice conversation. Listen to it again. Surround yourself with the English language. Practice with music and movies, first without subtitles, then with them. Watch and listen to audiovisuals in various accents. And finally, practice reading aloud. It helps you to improve your pronunciation. With this, we come to the event and end of. With this, we come to the end of the tips and techniques and strategies of how you can speak in the third round and you can describe an event. Thank you and all the best in speaking well.